Hello, are you afraid of the piracy of video? VdoCipher is here to help you to protect your content from piracy. VdoCipher provides custom video player and video piracy protection solutions targeted towards e-learning, LMS, content creators, media, and OTT platforms. We have blocked 120,000 plus piracy attempts and identified 1,100 plus hackers or pirates in the last 6 months through our proprietary Piracy Blocker engine. 3,000 plus businesses globally have an additional $200 million in revenues by preventing piracy and increasing paid users. Where we're going to guide you through integrating LearnPress, a powerful LMS system, with VdoCipher. This will help you secure and deliver your premium video content effectively. I'm already logged into my VdoCipher account, and for LearnPress, we're going to install the plugin right from the WordPress dashboard. Let's get started by heading to the Add New Plugin section in WordPress. Now, I'll search for the LearnPress plugin. This is the free plugin that we'll be using to set up our course website. So, let's go ahead and click on the Install Now button. While it's installing, let me show you what the VdoCipher dashboard looks like. Here, you have the option to upload videos, which you can later embed on your course website. You just need to click the Upload button, select your file, and upload it. I already have some videos here, and I'll use one of them to embed in our course for this tutorial. Alright, looks like our plugin is installed now. I'll go ahead and activate it. Once it's activated, it appears right here. You can see options for courses, lessons, quizzes, and more. Next, we need to install another plugin to make everything work seamlessly, the VdoCipher plugin. I'll click on Install Now for the VdoCipher plugin. Just like with LearnPress, hitting the Activate button will make it appear in the left menu. This is the plugin where you need to enter the API secret key, which will secure your content. You can find this key in the VdoCipher dashboard under the Security and Config section. I've created several API keys here, but we'll use this specific one for our tutorial. I've copied the API key and will simply paste it in the plugin and save the changes. Now, our videos are protected by this secret key. Let's start building the course. We'll go to the course section and add a new course. Let's name it Course 1. Here, you would normally add a course description, but we'll skip that for now and focus on getting our course started. Scroll down to the curriculum section. You can add a section here, and within this section, you can add items. We'll create lessons and connect them to this course. Let's navigate to the lessons and add a new lesson named Lesson 1, Video 1. Now we need to embed a video here, so we'll go to our video section. I'll click on the Embed option for the video we want to use. We're doing this within WordPress, so I'll copy the embed code, head over to the WordPress dashboard, and paste it. And that's it. We've pasted the embed code for the video. Now we just need to hit Publish. It's published, but the link isn't signed yet because we need to link this lesson to the course. So we'll return to the curriculum section, select Lesson 1, and add it. Okay, it's added. Let's go ahead and publish it. Great, our course is now created. We'll also make sure to update this. Here's the link. Let's preview the changes to see how it looks. This shows the course instructor view. This is the user interface for the LearnPress LMS. You can navigate to the curriculum and see our lesson and the embedded video. Our video is successfully embedded and working perfectly. This is how you integrate LearnPress with VdoCipher. The VdoCipher WordPress plugin is equipped with several essential features. A major highlight is its customizable video player, which allows you to tweak the player's appearance, colors, and controls to your liking. For example, you have the option to adjust the player's color scheme to better align with your website's theme. You can add or remove control options as needed. If you want, you can even remove the timeline to prevent users from skipping through the content. Another feature is the ability to change playback speed options. The plugin also enables you to set the forward and rewind intervals, among other capabilities. These custom themes can be saved and applied to individual videos. Alternatively, You can apply these themes across your entire account and WordPress site by using the theme's player ID. A significant security feature is the dynamic user-based watermark. Sample code is available, and the tutorial provides additional examples. The watermark feature allows you to display a user ID, IP address, or email ID on the video. It's fully customizable. You can control its speed, color, transparency, and frequency of movement. You can also decide whether the watermark appears throughout the entire video or just for a certain percentage. All watermark parameters are explained in detail in this tutorial, which you can access directly from here. A sample watermark code is provided too. One intriguing feature of the VdoCipher WordPress plugin is the ability to track user IDs for each video session through a simple toggle option. Enabling this feature lets us offer in-depth, user-based video analytics. This proprietary tool by VdoCipher is designed to enhance security and user engagement tracking. It allows you to monitor which user IDs have accessed the content. You can track individual user IDs to assess how many total hours they've watched, their average watch percentage, and interesting metrics like unique device and browser counts. In cases where users are involved in advanced piracy activities, you can identify these users, even if they are employing sophisticated piracy tactics like DRM breaking. Such tracking is achievable with a simple toggle option available here. These are the key functionalities offered by the VdoCipher WordPress plugin that you can leverage. Key security features include illegal downloads are blocked with Hollywood-grade DRM encryption using Google Widevine and Apple Fairplay DRM protocols. Screen capture blocking in mobile apps. Screen capture blocking in 70% cases in websites. User-based moving customizable watermark to discourage screen capture in REST 30% cases. Proprietary Piracy Blocker and hacker identification engine to real-time detect advanced pirates attempting breaking DRM and block such users. Analyze 100+ user device parameters to identify top global hackers. Advanced restrictions like offline secure download in-app, IP restrictions, and geo-country restrictions. Customize the video player as per your brand and business needs. Add chapters. Chapters are visible on player timeline and in settings section. Add multi-language subtitles. Generate AI English subtitles. Change thumbnail. Change color. Add or remove controls. Edit speed change options. Enable Chromecast and much more. Have different themes for different videos or have a single custom theme for account. Track bandwidth and storage at both the account and video level. Monitor video views at the account level with filters by country and browser, and you can also dive into per-video insights for a complete audience overview. Next, manage folder-level playback restrictions to control content access and monitor watch time patterns. Explore user-based metrics like total watch time, unique device counts, and more for deeper audience insights. Finally, our Piracy Blocker identifies hacking attempts, logging severity, IP addresses, and methods used, ensuring your content stays protected. With VdoCipher's live streaming platform, enjoy a suite of powerful features. Domain restriction ensures control over where your stream appears, and scheduling makes live event management easy. Enable chat options to engage with your viewers. Automatic recording saves every live session. Our API allows automatic stream start and stop with adaptive HD playback for a smooth experience. Multi-quality streaming adjusts based on viewer bandwidth, and DVR functionality lets them pause, rewind, and replay live broadcasts. So sign up today and get a free full version trial.